Morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is April 27th. We do have things starting off a little bit lower today. Corn down 2 1/4, wheat down a little bit more than a penny. Beans right now at unchanged, but the focus this week will be all on weather. How do we look? And actually, the 1 to 5 day forecast looks amazing for anybody that has a planner out there. We'll be using it. We're going to see a very strong planning pace this week. And things look very good, the 1 to 5 day forecast. 6 to 10 has got rain in the forecast. So behind this basically perfect weather, we do have some rain. And looking for almost the entire Midwest, looking to get some kind of a drink, in that extended forecast as well. But for the next 5 days, guys are going to be moving and probably moving at a very quick pace. So we'll see what happens there. Some of the expectations for planning progress, that'll be later on. Will be out a little bit later on this afternoon. Guys are expecting to see anywhere from 18% to 25% planted. The 5-year average is 25%. So keep an eye on that later on this afternoon. I don't think this one's going to matter too much, with the forecast that we have ahead. But as far as the grains, all focus will be on the weather for the next coming weeks. Livestock. We did have cattle on feed report out on Friday. We're expecting cattle to open up maybe about $1 lower from some of these numbers that we had seen. Placed, we're at 100% from last year. On feed was at 100%, and marketings was at 98.3. So these certainly the expectations were a little lower than that. The average guess for placed was at 94.5, on feed at 98.6, and marketed at 98.2. So we are expecting to see a lower start. Now, cash trade last week, most of what we heard throughout the entire week, 158 out there. That's $2 lower from the previous week. And we did hear some rumors coming out late Friday. I don't know if it did trade or not, 163, but hearing some of that on Twitter with these numbers. So we'll see, and we'll try to get that figured out for you guys a little later on today. Box beef, though, quite a bit lower. Choice down 302, Select down 342. So certainly lower as far as box beef. And we'll see how we open up here once we get things kicked on. But hogs, cutout values up 27. Strong move on Friday. Charts look pretty good for hogs. And we'll see if we can continue this upward move and upward momentum that we've had here throughout the last couple of weeks. Looking at some of these other markets, stock market up 66 right now. Crude oil 15 cents higher. The dollar is up 20 points. Gold and silver stronger as well. Gold's up $10, silver up 19 cents. So we'll see how we finish out the day today. But if you guys have questions, give us a call. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.